one hearing from the Senate. This house is a replica to the National Assembly and the Senate. I would wish the same day she was doing, even the CC who are sitting with her in the cabinet could do the same. I want to urge the CC nominees that having been summoned or invited in this house is not a punishment. It's part of the obligation, it's part of their duty, it's part of their responsibilities. Because you are not working in a parallel path, you are working as a team. So the CCs, the MCs, the governor, and other leaders in this county, we should work as a team. Whenever I'm needed, like today in the morning, I was summoned by people in Maua, and I was to go there before to come in because it's part of my duty, it's part of my responsibility to listen to what they are saying so that I can know how we should work. So whenever you are summoning somebody in this house, he or she should not think that you are being inhuman. In fact, whenever you are summoned or you are invited in this house, you should be happy because you may know what you may not know. We may teach you something that you may not have known. But if you ignore, I hope there is a verse in the Bible that says you have been given power to plant and to uproot. We have been given power to bless and even to curse. So today we are planting, today we are blessing. We don't want to be pushed to that side of cursing and planting. Because you can't sing with our rhythm. If you fail to sing the music that is in our constitution and standing on us, then we will force you to want to sing your song and dance on your own music. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Kangwana. I hope you are not going to cast anybody in the near future. Yes, Honorable Meru Kaimbo.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My name is Julius Meru Kaimbo. I represent Mekindori 1. May I take this opportunity to support the report by this committee on the nominees and put it across that this is a new dawn that we have in Meru County. We have a new start. The former president of America, His Excellency Abraham Lincoln, once said that if he is given 7 hours to clear the forest, he will use 6 hours in sharpening the axe and use 1 hour to clear the forest. This is just a simple connotation that if you prepare to do something and then have the right formula, it is certain that you can get the answer to the problem. So I congratulate the governor for appointing the right people. That is the first tick that he got.